Hello guys, in this video I will be discussing question number 18 of chapter Syllogism. I am discussing this question because this question was asked very frequently by students, so I decided to make a video to make it more clearer. The question is statement 1, only dogs are animals. Statement 2, no historian is an animal. So as I have told you before, the simplest method to solve any syllogism is to make diagrams, Venn diagrams. So we will make Venn diagram for first statement. First statement says only dogs are animals. So this circle represents dog and this circle represents animals. So this is following statement 1. We label it as condition 1. Now there can be one more condition. These are dogs and these are animals. Now we move to statement 2. Statement 2 says no historian is an animal. Okay, so no historian is animal. So this represents historians and you can see historian and animals are not intersecting. Now there can be one more condition where historians are here. Now there can be one more condition, condition number 3, where these are dogs, these are animals, and these are historians. Condition number 3 also follows statement 1 as well as statement 2. So in total there can be 3 conditions. Now we move to conclusions. So conclusion says some dogs are not historians. So we move to condition 1 and check. These are dogs and there are dogs which are not historians, this portion. Okay, so this is true for condition 1. Now we move to condition 2. Some dogs are not historians. So again we find dogs which are not historians. So again this is true for condition 2. Now for condition 3 again we find dogs, this whole circle. So condition 3 is also true. For conclusion 2, first condition, let me take black color. Some historians are not dogs. Okay, so this is correct. This portion. Condition 2, some historians are not dogs. No, there are all historians which are subset of dogs. So incorrect for condition 2. Condition 3, some historians, okay. So this is correct. So we can say conclusion 1 is following for all conditions. So this is true. Whereas conclusion 2 is following for condition 1 and condition 3, but for condition 2 it is false. So your A option will be correct. Only conclusion 1 follows. Also there can be one more condition in which this will be dogs, these are historians, and these are animals. But this condition we can say it condition 4, but this condition is covered in condition 2 only. See, it will not make any difference if you consider condition 4 or not. Your answer will be same, which is A option. You can watch complete syllogism classes on Unacademy absolutely free. There are 3 parts of syllogism, part 1, part 2 and part 3. You can visit the profile by searching grvbrc-1526 and you will land on this page. The username is grvbrc-1526. You can watch all CA Foundation and Intermediate classes here. If you are visiting Unacademy for first time, then use code CAGaurav to unlock all your special classes, free special classes and test series. Also, I will be providing the links in description, so don't worry for the profile as well as the syllogism classes. And make sure you follow GRV BRC 1526 to get notified about future classes. Also, I would like to tell you about much awaited Trinity free test series for CA Foundation students. So be ready on 10th and 11th January 2021 to check your preparations before the exams. Because we all know thorough preparation makes its own luck. And guys, after the test completes, paper will be analyzed by renowned faculties, so enroll now for free to crack your exams. Also, if you are willing to take CA plus subscription, which is for foundation as well as intermediate, then you can avail 10% discount by using the code CA Gaurav, and you can see the difference between the subscription fees before and after. And I will recommend you to go for either 6, 12 or 24 months, which is economically beneficial for you.